Whatever. I don't care what you're doing.
See this box? This box has magic in it.
It will have magic in it. We're gonna stuff it.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm
Throwing gasoline or something on assembly required. But this is the model ASMOKE 300. Wow, I actually got a grill cover with this one.
Seriously?
So, got the part, got the grill. Let's put this together, shall we? There it is! Woo! It's so sexy. Shiny. We're gonna fix that real quick. But look at this. I got a fancy cover for it now. An ASMOKE fancy cover. My other one was an old grill cover. But anyway, it is now together. We're going to get that put together. If you really want to see the whole thing put together, you go check out my other video, which is like up here somewhere in the abyss of YouTube. Anyways, get prepared for greatness. It's coming. Look, I'll see you in about 4 hours.
What a lovely teacher.
So everybody, this is about to become a lovely tea party. Moment of truth. We're gonna fire this bad boy up and see what's cracking, shall we? All right, she's on. We're gonna check back here in a second. All right, so getting the pork booty ready. Hello, TV! Well, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but she has started smoking. See if I can get a little bit closer here. Oh yeah, see it coming out? So, we are minutes away from slapping some booty on there. That's what I'm talking about. I thought it was hotter than that. It's not. So, we got it at ideal temperature, about 255. Just for the record, I have a competition smoker standing over there judging me right now. Just throwing that in there. He's been eyeballing me the whole time, telling me how much amateurish I am. So, with that being said, how about we throw that beautiful Donovan pork booty on here?
It's lonely. It needs attention.
Oh, you hear the skizzle, skizzle? Skizzle, skizzle!
Some things in life that are so satisfying.
Man. So we're going to put the meat thermometer in here.
Ouch!
You like that? It's going deep though. Going way up in there.
God!
feels like that prostate exam back in the day, huh? How about that? And there we go. We're gonna let that sit for about 3, 4, 5, 12 hours. I don't know, it's whatever. We'll figure it out. Yes. We're gonna peek at your butt, shall we? Let's see how hot and warm it's getting, shall we? It's holding 300 degrees right here. The internal temperature, which is really cool, 72 degrees. Cooking just fine. We're gonna take a little gander, shall we?
Not supposed to look.
Oh, yeah. Boom.
You're exposing me to everybody.
Bro, where you going?
I gotta go pee, but I'm leaving my butt here.
Thank you. It's so sexy and juicy.
Fill out. Back up. So then you brought it in and it dropped out on the floor.
Da 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 da.
Okay, I just gotta say that's prettier than my real butt.
It'll slow it down.
What's that?
We have a lot of random strangers tonight.
The random strangers came out of the woodwork this evening.
Is it my
What?
turn?
What
Yes.
for you?
All right, ready?
Will she eat one? You want one?
Wait.
Cannibalism.
I'll set it here just in
asking.
case. He's eating his own butt. For the record, Donovan is enjoying the taste of his own butt.
I like my butt.
Wow.
Some tasty butt. Kyle, I mean, I saw you massaging the butt. You did a good job. Wow. Tastes great.
You did do a good job.
Good? Thumbs up, everybody?
The little ones can't take this.
Wow.
Is it too much for you? You don't like the butt jokes? Want me to call it pirate treasure? The pirate treasure?
The booty.
Is delicious.
No,
You like the
pirate
pirate?
treasure is so delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
A welcome video that was
So-
no longer available to find easily. And so as soon as I did that, he calls me and says, "It says you just subscribed to me. What are you doing?"
So his is set that right.
Another big man standing behind me makes me a little bit nervous.
I
But
didn't
we're
kiss
actually...
you.
No, you said, "Hey, how you doing?"
How you doing?
We're gonna now check on the pork booty.
We are?
So stand by.
Wait,
Yes.
We're,
Would you-
we're gonna,
Wait, You're gonna peek at my
Oh,
butt?
no, I can't do it. I was
Oh, that almost, dude. That almost was a fight. That would have been the. That part of the video, like.